Hey guys, welcome to Protein Treats by Nutracelle. I'm Melanie Wildman, and today we are making super yummy, low carb, absolutely delicious potato salad with cauliflower. I'm going to show you how easy it is to enjoy summer living with low carb, high protein, high fiber, all of the yummy goodness that you will never know. Even your carb loving friends, when they eat this delicious salad, will be amazed. So stick around, it's super easy, super fast, and super healthy. Okay, so to make this yummy salad, all you're going to need to do is substitute out your potatoes with cauliflower. I'm going to show you how easy this is. To make it, you're going to need a head of cauliflower. You're going to need about 3/4 of a cup of mayonnaise. Make sure it's real mayonnaise and not like Miracle Whip or something that's high in carbs. You want real mayonnaise. I've got some mustard powder here. I also have a mix. I have half a teaspoon of garlic powder. I have some salt. I have some pepper. And I have 2 whole eggs that I have boiled and let cool. I have about 1/3 of a cup of chopped up celery here. And I have about 1/3 of a cup of onion that I've chopped up. And I have a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And of course our natural Nutralean. Now why is that so important? It is a prebiotic protein that does 2 things. One is it extends the digestion time of your protein. So that makes you super full, and it makes it so you can get all of the protein out of the food you're eating. Plus it makes things really nice and thick and creamy. So I'm going to show you how fast and easy this is to do and how yummy and delicious it is when we get it all finished. So stick around. All right, so you're going to start with your cauliflower. Now all you're going to do is break your cauliflower into little bits. Don't chop it up, but actually break it so you have little florets that look just like this. And you can boil this one of 2 ways, like I'm doing in a pot of boiling water, or you can do it in the microwave. If you do it in the microwave, then you'll need to put in a little bit of water so it covers the bottom, and cook it in the microwave for about 10 minutes. And you'll probably need to stir it halfway through. And because we're gonna do it on the stovetop in some boiling water, we just want it to be what you would consider al dente. So you want the fork to go through it, but you don't want it to break apart. Okay, so now that we have our cauliflower cooked just so it's still firm, but cooked all the way through, I'm gonna go ahead and place it into my bowl here after I've drained it. And now I'm going to take my eggs, my 2 eggs, and I'm going to just dice up my eggs here and put those right in with my cooled off cauliflower. And I'm just gonna put my 2 eggs in there, just like this, and give it a quick toss. And now I'm going to add in my diced up celery and my diced up onion. And once I mix those a little bit, I'm going to add all my dry spices and my Nutralean. And I'm going to do that before I add in my mayonnaise. So I'm going to go ahead and add 2 scoops of my natural Nutralean. That's what's going to give us all of that prebiotic fiber, all of that protein, and it's gonna help make it so nice and creamy. And now I'm gonna add in my spices and my salt and pepper, and I'm just gonna mix this until everything is nice and coated. And once that's coated, I'm going to add in my vinegar, my apple cider vinegar. Now, if you don't have apple cider vinegar, don't worry, you can use regular white vinegar. I'm just gonna put that on top, and now I'm gonna go ahead and put in my real mayonnaise. Make sure you don't use that low-fat mayonnaise because they use all sorts of sugar and carbs to replace the fat, and we want the fat. We want the good healthy fats and eggs in our mayonnaise. Here we go. And now I'm just gonna give this one last mix and then put it in the refrigerator. Now you can let this chill overnight so it's perfect the next day, or you can let it chill for half an hour to an hour before you serve it, and you're good to go with really yummy potato salad that's almost carb-free. All right, you guys, should we give this a try? We have just made such an easy, perfect summer treat. This goes great with our burger buns. I will make sure that we post the recipe for both below. Perfect for summer picnics, perfect when you just want some of that carby style treat for summer, but without any of the carbs, so you can still lose weight with the food that you love. All right, let's give this a little taste. This is so good. It tastes like summer. It is so good. You'll be hard pressed to tell the difference between the stuff with potatoes. So good. All right, guys, I will post the links to the ingredients and the directions below. If you want to learn a little bit about Nutracelle and why it helps you feel so full for so long, make sure that you click on Nutracelle.com and you can find a little bit more about it. And make sure that you click the bell so you get the notifications for all of our yummy recipes so you can stay on track and lose weight with the food you love. And I will see you guys back here next week. Thanks, guys.